Hi, I'm Eileen. Welcome to Make It at Home, brought to you by the Newburgh Free Library. This time we'll be making seashell wind chimes. They can also be used as a wall hanging. To get started, arrange your shells in 5 rows. So the first row will have 5 shells, the second row will have 6 shells, third row 7, fourth row 6, and then the fifth row 5. You'll need to cut 5 strings that are approximately 60 inches long. Okay, so you can see the strings I have laid out. We're going to get the 5th string ready today. Okay, but first we'll get our stick ready. So your stick should be about 10 inches long, and you'll be marking it 2 inches from the end, and then at 1.5 inch intervals. So that's the 2 inch mark, and then we have 1.5, one and a half, one and a half, and 1.5. Okay, so the stick's ready. All right, we'll be tying the strings to the stick later. All right, so I have 4 of the strings done. We're going to work on the 5th string. Okay, and what we'll do is tie a double knot. Okay, a nice loose knot is good because we're going to be putting a little glue gun, using the glue gun later for that. And then we want to do these at about 3 inch intervals. Okay, and this is the 5th string, so I'm going to have 5 knots. Okay, so that's five knots. Alrighty, and you can do the other strings on your own. Again, it's 5, 6, 7, 6, 5. Okay, so once you have the strings knotted, then we're going to be gluing the shells to the string. So we'll put a little dab of glue on the knot and attach the shell. All right, so that's going to go on the inside of the shell, and you're just going to press it there on the inside. Okay, and that's one. Now that you have all of your shells glued to the strings, we're going to tie them to the stick. All right, so we'll take the first string, okay, and we're going to measure 3 inches from your top shell, and then tie that to the stick at the first mark there on the end. I'm going to do that with a double knot. Okay, then take your second string that will have 6 shells on it. Okay, we're going to tie that to the second mark. Again, it should be 3 inches from the top shell. I'm going to mark it with a pencil. Alright, at the 3 inches, just so I can keep it at a 3-inch mark there. And we'll attach that to the stick. Okay, then gather the strings in your hand. And this can be, you know, about, I would say it's about maybe 8 or 9 inches. And I'm going to just tie these together. And I'm going to cut this at approximately 3 inches. So we'll untangle them. You can hear them shining already. Okay, you can adjust these, make the knots a little bit tighter. All right, but there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed making this wind chime, the seashell project. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.